Hello everyone, welcome to our game project video. In this video you'll discover how we made our game project, and we will lead you through the process of making an arcade library game. So the first part of our team project was a brainstorming part. When we were brainstorming, we thought about some kind of retro style game, and the first idea that came up to our mind was Tetris. So we made Tetris on our own style, and you will see our final project at the end of this video.
Hey, hello everyone, today we're gonna make a Tetris game using a Python arcade library. So firstly we started importing some libraries like arcade, random and PIL for image importing. So firstly we are gonna define row count and column count for our game. So defining columns and rows. So the next thing is we're gonna define the width and height of a cube for each block for Tetris. So in this case it will be like 30 pixels, 30 width and height. So the next thing is the margin between the blocks. So in this case will be 1 pixel. And let's talk about the images, how we created some of them. And we created the background image using Adobe Illustrator, and here is the logo. So let's take a look. So we want to make a little bit abstract image and also a bit futuristic. So we end up like this.
Here we see our team member Ahmadjon is really busy now, so let's ask him what he's trying to do.
So as you know, every code should consist of the commentings in order to keep it simple and readable. And in this process I'm trying to give some comments to our codes, and here we can see the function of def new stone self, and in order to give this comment I use randomly grab a new stone and set the stone location to the top. This gives me the possibility of making my code simple.
At our final product, now I will show how to play our game. So let's run the code now. Here we go. Okay, controls are simple, just by clicking the up, downward and right side, left side buttons. Here we have this. The main goal of our game is all we know, is making it total full line. Have a look at what our team members think of this project.
It was really interesting and knowledgeable for me. So during the process of making the game, I enjoyed working with my team. We had a lot of troubles in this, but we were able to overcome this. And to sum up the feelings, I will say that it was really educational for me. As long as I didn't know how to use the arcade, and with the help of my team I managed to do it.
Hi, my name is Ali Hadarazar. So I am the member of Sicko group. So like we start our project in some November, in the mid of November. So now in the beginning we couldn't decide what type of game we are gonna make, but now we did it. So we made a game like named Tetris. So it was really hard in the beginning. So like the coding part and the, like for example we made a game using different colors, different shapes, but I learned a lot with working these guys. It was a bit difficult, but after some time I learned different things like coding. So the main part now it's like working. So it was really nice to working with our group. Thank you very much.
It was really beneficial for me in terms of coding and the purpose of using